Hey guys, welcome back to the Destination Baby and Kids YouTube channel. I am here with one of my favorite all-time rotational car seats. This is the NUNA REVV. I'm going to install it because we'll see how it installs and then get a little depth reading and show a little bit about the recline on this guy. The seat is awesome. The first step with any of these rotational seats, and again, probably with most forward-facing car seats, is going to be making sure that your top tether is correctly aligned and set up. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm not going to go hog wild and tighten it crazy, but I will just shore it up so that I'm not out of line. All right, so we're going to go ahead and rotate the seat. And one nice thing here, if you'll notice, is that I have the seat ready to install with the lower anchors. This seat has a weight limit for the lower anchors of 40 pounds when the seat's installed in both directions. So that is fabulous. I prefer lower anchors for the seat. It is just easier, and I think it's really nice that I'm able to use the lower anchors on this seat for the entire duration of the seat's use. So because it only holds a kid up to 40 pounds in both directions, the anchors align with that usage and I will never have to reinstall the seat. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten this belt. And yes, it's going to look crooked until the end when I make it straighten it out. And then I am going to go ahead and close this plate. And frequently, because of my size, I have to get a better leveraging position to close these. You'll hear it click distinctively when it closes. So now I'm going to pull on this, make sure it's not moving an inch from its installation point. You want to make sure that this is always routed over the top of the tether bar, which it is. And now from where you're seated viewer, this is awesome. You can see we have 5-position recline with a little arrow for rear facing. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 is most upright, 5 is most reclined. 5 would be the most appropriate for a very little baby with the infant positioner. I've removed that, but as you can see, there isn't really like a spectrum of how and when to use reclines super specifically, which I love. And then in forward facing, so we'll go ahead and spin the seat around, you have 5-position recline as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's nice and reclined for an older kiddo, and you're still able to do all the adjustments on it. But it is just something to be aware of here that frequently, people come in and they want to be able to recline their car seats while they're installed. Really, the only seats that enable you to do that is the Kleck Foomph, and that's pushing it. It's difficult to get it to adjust while it's installed. And then your rotating seats will enable you to do it. I will tell you, nothing on the market reclines as easily with as many positions for different sizes as this guy does. So if this is a feature that you see right now that you like, you should go to my website, destinationbabykids.com. Go to the Rev. Go ahead and hit that link and buy it directly from me. Because again, if being able to rotate it and have it recline while it's installed is a value to you, there's nothing better than this guy, and the ease of use on all the pieces, as far as really any of the rotational seats go, is going to be the best. Also flame retardant free fabric. It's a really fabulous seat. I understand that there's some hesitation because it holds a shorter kid, but in my opinion, once a child physically outgrew the seat, you would buy a combination seat anyway. And with most convertible seats, you end up buying a combination seat anyway. So I don't think there's really a ton to be gained by going with a super large size, other than if cost is the highest priority. Now, if we spin the seat to be rear facing, we're going to get a depth reading on how long it is installed. Just because I'm so sick of this question. We're at 30.5 inches. And I'd say 31 in our most reclined, and in our most upright, more like 30.5. So you get about a ½ inch additional space when you sit it more upright. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Please feel free to hit like. Please feel free to subscribe. Check out my other rotational car seat review videos as well as the installation videos, and hopefully you can head over to my website, destinationbabykids.com, and find something there that you love. All right, thanks. We'll see you in the next video.